In this video, I'm going to be talking about the concept of runtime environments, sometimes abbreviated RTE. So, as a developer, it's important for you to understand runtime environments. That's because any software requires a certain type of runtime environment for it to run. Okay, so the runtime environment for Photoshop, the runtime environment for VLC, the runtime environment for Xcode, the runtime environment for Android Studio, they are all different. Each software requires a certain type, a unique runtime environment for it to run successfully. Okay, so let us understand what a runtime environment is. So a runtime environment just means it's a total, it's just the hardware and the software components that are required to run a computer program successfully. Okay, so all the hardware and all the software components that you need to get to run a program successfully, that's what you call a runtime environment. So after that, you should understand that a runtime environment is particular to a software that you want to run. So runtime environments do differ because each program requires a unique runtime environment for it to run successfully. Okay, so a few of the examples that we have, for instance, if you need to run Java, you need to have the Java C compiler installed on your computer. If you need to run C or C++, you need to have the GCC compiler installed on your computer. Okay. If you need to play music on your computer, you need to have VLC installed. You must also have speakers installed as hardware on your computer. Without speakers, the program can't run successfully. Okay. If you need to play maybe video games, the computer needs to have maybe speakers, needs to have about 16 GB of RAM, needs to have DirectX installed and some other components. So the hardware and the software that is required for any program to run successfully, that is what you call a runtime environment. And this runtime environment, they differ from computer program to computer program. So every time you need to use a computer program, you must study the runtime environment so that you can install the correct runtime environment for the computer program to run successfully. So that includes hardware and also software components.